Ever dropped your smartphone on your face? Got a pain in your arms while holding your phone? Annoyed by short charging cables? Or shaky phone holders? Introducing BlueSphere Smart Supporter, the first wireless charging multifunctional stand for any smartphone. Give freedom to your hands and maximize your comfort while making calls with friends, enjoying your dinner, doing your nails, or streaming your makeup. While whipping up a masterpiece in the kitchen. And enjoying your favorite games. While entertaining your child, or watching cartoons without hurting their eyesight. With a built-in super fast wireless charger, experience uninterrupted streaming of your favorite TV shows and movies in bed. Position and reposition BlueSphere to every angle you desire, effortlessly. With the unique NanoPetch technology, attach your smartphone with one simple touch without the need of sticky adhesive. Use it anywhere at your place, at your bedside, on your table, or anywhere on the floor. With 2 years of prototyping, perfecting, and user testing, we have created an amazing accessory for any smartphone to use at its fullest. Enjoy the freedom and exceptional comfort with BlueSphere.
I love to travel, and when I travel, I like to have my things organized and accessible. We are the creators of the luggage that was voted best carry-on bag by all the biggest names in travel. USA Today, Travel and Leisure, you name it. And now we're raising the bar even higher. What we have designed is the upgraded model of our enormously successful carry-on, which we have shipped to tens of thousands of fans across the globe. Meet Genius Pack Supercharged, a maximum capacity carry-on built with a unique charging capability with 2 external USB ports to recharge smartphones up to 4 times. Juice up your smartphone and tablet all at the same time. The Power Pack is fully removable and complies with airline standards. We designed the Green Cable as an all-in-one cable to recharge your iPhone, Android devices, and also recharge the luggage itself. It has not 4 but 8 wheels for a 360-degree super smooth glide designed to wheel effortlessly on multiple terrains. It's extremely light, just 6.8 pounds. The zipper pullers click into the integrated combination lock. Take my word, we did not cut corners on quality. The external shell is 100% polycarbonate, the stuff they use for bulletproof material. The telescopic handle is made of 100% aircraft-grade anodized aluminum, reinforced impact-resistant corners, scratch and stain resistant, top and side easy grab handles. All of our units are rigorously tested. We put our luggage on treadmills for miles to guarantee the wheels last. We conduct jerk tests to ensure the bag can carry heavy loads. But what really makes this bag great is in the inside. There's category compartments for tech, socks, undergarments, and we even built an embedded checklist so you never forget your belts again. We built these compartments with a specialized stretch mesh. You'll be amazed on how much you can fit in here. There is a garment loop for hanging clothes. The rest of your clothing fit comfortably in the main cavity. These compression straps keep everything in place and minimizes wrinkling. As you wear your clothes, the left side becomes a secluded laundry compartment, so your dirty clothes never touch your clean clothes. From the day I launched Genius Pack in 2013, I listened closely to all of your feedback. We've shipped over 75,000 units to happy customers all around the globe. This product is a creation of numerous rounds of prototypes. Our skilled craftsmen are eagerly waiting to get these produced. We need your support to bring this product to life.
Introducing the Moon by OneRing, the world's first smart camera to defy gravity. The unique stabilized levitation technology, coupled with advanced wireless resonant charging capability, allows the Moon by OneRing to not only endlessly levitate above its stand, but noiselessly rotate in any direction with a simple swipe of your finger, leaving no spot unnoticed. We have equipped the camera with the latest generation full HD CMOS sensor, with a pixel area much larger than that of any ordinary home security solutions. Combined with a bright, wide-angle lens, the Moon by OneRing captures considerably more light than an average home monitor camera, resulting in incredibly crisp and clear images, even in dimly lit conditions. Two built-in precision microphones on each side of the lens automatically detect the direction of incoming sound and adjust the camera's field of view accordingly, making sure it captures every moment. We have also integrated a high-quality loudspeaker and an additional third microphone for HD noise cancellation, so you'll not only see and hear what happens around the camera, but can also communicate, making the Moon by OneRing a natural choice for video calls both at your home and in your office. For over 2 years, our team has been dedicated to designing the Moon with a single goal in mind: to create the most advanced and versatile smart home solution in the world. To achieve this, we have opted to combine the major home automation standards of Z-Wave, Zigbee, and Bluetooth Smart with a beautiful, easy-to-use and feature-rich camera, giving you an unparalleled flexibility in building or expanding your very own smart home or office. The Moon by OneRing has temperature, humidity, CO2, and light sensor integrations, so it will not only notify you whenever it's a good time to let in some fresh air or turn on the air conditioner, but it can share this information with other smart home devices. Additionally, thanks to its integrated IR blaster, the Moon by OneRing can also control your legacy appliances like the air conditioner, stereo system, or television, integrating them into your personal Internet of Things. All of the crucial electronic components are integrated directly into the camera, so you can also use it independently from the base unit. The built-in battery enables up to 5 hours of autonomous operation, while the USB Type-C port makes charging on the go fast and convenient. We've engineered the Moon by OneRing as the most sophisticated smart camera for your home and office. Support our project and make the dream of a truly flexible and easy-to-use smart home come one step closer.
Introducing U-Drone, the ultimate mind-reading drone that allows you to fly a drone with the power of your mind. U-Drone integrates leading cognitive technologies into an intelligent headset that reads your brainwave, tracks slight facial movements, and converts these signals into commands. At the size of your palm, the 85 grams U-Drone is extremely compact, lightweight, and portable. To take off, all you need to do is concentrate and imagine the drone lifting off. You can even adjust the altitude by imagining, adjust the flying direction by tilting your head, and land the drone by biting your teeth. Capturing a photo with U-Drone can be done with 2 blinks with your eyes, or a peace sign with your hand. All U-Drone images are consistently sharp and vivid. The HD camera shoots stabilized videos at 1080p and stunning still images at 8 megapixels. Tracking a certain subject on the move or from different angles? Our subject tracking technology can automatically identify and continually follow a moving person. If you wish to reach further, flying with your mobile device as the remote control is an alternative option. You can view real-time camera feed on the U-Drone app and sync photos and videos onto your device instantly. Whether you are indoor or outdoor, the U-Drone will be a perfect add-on to your magical moments. The powerful camera system automatically adjusts camera focus, exposure, and position to ensure your face is ideally displayed in the frame. All you need to do is act natural. strikes across your mind, uDrone will lead you into an adventure within and beyond your imagination.
This is Pictar Pro. It makes your phone function and feel like a DSLR. See, every time a new smartphone comes out, it's always about one thing: the camera. They've gotten amazing. Every small detail of the camera is always examined. The size of the sensor, the amount of light that goes in, a new special tech for pixels, and mountains of software and algorithms, as they call it today, AI. When you look closely at the efforts, they're made of two different things. One is to make a better camera, and the other is to make everyone's experience with it a good one. That second part basically means that you and a man who lives in a cave will have the same outcome. Point, tap, and that's it. Nothing to think about or configure. So many unbelievable technological achievements in these cameras that are even more amazing when you can control them, and they're buried under mountains of menus. Some of them can't even be controlled at all. Pictar Pro enables photographers to use all the smartphone camera's incredible features while maintaining a great user experience. Here's how it works. I downloaded the Pictar app, then I just slide Pictar on. Now let's say I want to take a picture of our camera guy. I use this wheel here that controls exposure. Then I slowly move the zoom to the desired spot, then a short shutter press for focus, and there. A perfect professional picture. The 3 Ps of photography. I just invented that. That's not even a real thing. Pictar feels and looks just like a classic camera. It has a brass body with a satin chrome finish, just like Leica or Minox. Besides looking beautiful, that metal gives Pictar the firm grip and weight of a camera for better stability. Just like a camera, Pictar has 4 external buttons and wheels for precise control over the phone's camera and for unleashing its full potential. To really complete the camera feel and help take pictures when the sun glares on the phone, there's the viewfinder. It makes me feel like Annie Leibovitz, or Robert Capa, might be a better choice, being a man and all. Let's look at the features. Pictar comes with an app that detects all your phone's abilities, and in most phones even adds capabilities that other phones have. It also has advanced video features. Just like a real camera, every one of those features is accessible through the wheels and buttons of Pictar. Take, for example, the continuous zoom, an important tool when shooting a video. With Pictar, I just use the rocker switch. Through the app, I can even control the speed of the zoom. Simple enough even for the caveman. Then there's the shutter release button that easily takes pictures when fully pressed, and that locks focus and exposure when half pressed. There's the exposure compensation wheel for better lighting control. It also allows for a quick flip between front and back cameras, for a quick selfie between shots. This button here is called the Smart Wheel. It allows the user to easily scroll between 8 preset modes, including full manual, shutter priority, ISO, and a video mode offering advanced video features such as white balance, shutter speed, and frame rate. The Pictar app offers so many professional photo and video options, just choose. I'll go with macro. I'm gonna focus on this spider. We couldn't get a real spider? Press the button, and that's it. A macro shot of a fake spider. I can also use the manual focus on whatever part I choose. Because it's a camera, on the top of Pictar Pro there is a cold shoe connector for LED devices or a shotgun mic, and on the bottom you can connect a tripod. Another feature I like is that Pictar has a built-in battery and it wirelessly charges your phone when it's in, so your shoots don't end abruptly with a dead battery. Pictar Pro works with really almost any phone as long as it has a phone shape and with most phone cases. Also, it's future-proof, meaning that whatever new OS or new Android candy name will come out, Pictar Pro upgrades to fit it. And there's no setup or pairing process. Pictar's app and buttons work through an ultrasonic wireless system that takes very little energy with instant engagement. Just plug and play. This is the second and more advanced version of Pictar. The team behind it has successfully crowdfunded and shipped the first Pictar, as well as 3 other photography gear campaigns. This is their best product yet. So if you want to take professional pictures like pictures are meant to be taken, support Pictar and make the most of your smartphone camera.